What if you could buy $1 million website in only 3 clicks that stuffs your affiliate account with free commissions? And what if I said you could have a lifetime autoresponder to send unlimited emails to your subscribers for unlimited profits? Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have for you today. You see, website builders and autoresponders play a very important role when it comes to online marketing. Those are 2 of the biggest expenses for online marketers, and expensive fees are the first reason why many give up quickly or never even start. You'll need to build the website itself, which can take months of trial and error to get it right, and shell over hundreds monthly for funnel building software like ClickFunnels or Kajabi. And then there's autoresponder. You're sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions to expensive autoresponder platforms in return for mediocre support and massive downtimes. But what if there was a better way? A way without all the headaches. A way without technical skill, paying for autoresponder and expensive website builders, something that wouldn't require you to invest an arm and a leg. Others told us that this would be impossible, but we've done the impossible by developing FunnelZPRO. With FunnelZPRO, you'll be able to build fully functioning websites and landing pages and send unlimited emails in only a few clicks. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Select from 40 proven templates. These are proven and tested to convert website visitors into commissions. Step 2. FunnelZPRO will start sending free traffic to your DFY websites in 1 click by leveraging 10 untapped sources at once, and you can also use our autoresponder to send unlimited emails for unlimited profits. Step 3. Watch as your affiliate dashboard is stuffed with commissions as the day goes by and while you sleep. And Step 4. This is optional, but you can rinse and repeat the following 3 steps whenever you need a quick cash influx. Yes, it really is that simple. You've just come across an all-in-one solution that simplifies everything when it comes to making money online. There's no need to pay for traffic, there's no need to work hard setting things up, there's no need to invest an arm and a leg, and there's no technical skill involved whatsoever. Simply select a website template in the niche you want, and our software will blast it with traffic by leveraging 10 untapped traffic sources, or simply use our lifetime autoresponder to send unlimited emails for unlimited profits. Earning online doesn't have to be hard because FunnelZPRO levels out the playing field for everyone. You can profit with platforms like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and with high-ticket offers, e-commerce, offline businesses, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Remember, there are no extra fees as we provide you with hosting, a domain name at no extra cost. All you need is a copy of FunnelZPRO in your possession. In fact, if you act now, you can get FunnelZPRO at a massive discount. Look, we spent thousands to develop this beauty of a software. In fact, we sold this offer on a webinar for $997 a pop. And you know what? Dozens took us up on it because they knew how fast FunnelZPRO would pay for itself. They knew FunnelZPRO was their turning point. However, we know $997 is a lot of money to put out front. We know what it's like to be in your shoes, which is why we're going to offer you FunnelZPRO at a price everyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997, just a low one-time price that costs about the same as a pizza. But time is of the essence here. Listen, if you want to get your hands on FunnelZPRO, the time to act is right now. Why? Listen, we value FunnelZPRO. It's our goose that lays us golden eggs, producing an online income for me and my students. We'd hate for it to go to waste. If everyone on the planet used FunnelZPRO, it would become saturated and no longer work. So that's why we'll be closing our doors down soon to avoid saturation. And what's the point of waiting? Because every minute you wait is a minute where you could be getting traffic, a moment where you could be getting commissions. What's the point in leaving money on the table? Look, if you've read this far, you know you need FunnelZPRO. So with that being said, take that mini leap of faith now by clicking the button below. Your future self will thank you for it. Oh, and there's no risk, because you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. This means if you use the FunnelZPRO app and don't see any results, we'll refund you every penny. So either way, you win. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to do something about your situation to end the nasty and expensive cycle of buying shiny objects? I'm giving you the chance to break the shackles that prevent you from seeing the success you've always desired. Ready to get started? Then click the button below to get started while this offer is still available. I'll see you inside.